Hello, my name is Will Abde. I am part of the Solutions Engineering Organization at Semiconductor. I have here the Green Power Zigbee, which demonstrate the use of the NCS36510, a battery-free Zigbee green power application. This kit consists of one Zigbee coordinator USB device which interfaces with Strata, programmed with firmware that uses the DSR ZBoss Zigbee 3.0 library, in addition to two energy harvesting nodes which act as Zigbee green power devices, only using a fraction of the energy from one half of the switch. It uses a ZF AFIG 0007 generator to provide power to the NCS36510 module via a rectifier and a regulator. Each time the switch is pressed, a Zigbee green power toggle command is sent from the ZGPD to the ZSC. This kit highlights key semiconductor parts like the low power system on chip for 2.4 GHz IEEE Zigbee applications, 150 mA ultra low IQ LDO regulator, EMI common mode filter with ESD protection, tight tolerance Zener diode, and 30 volt 1 amp Schottky diode full bridge rectifier. When the ZF switch is pressed to activate the ZG power delivery device, electrical current is generated. The negative voltage pulse generated by the release phase is rectified using the bridge rectifier device. These pulses charge a 33 microfarad capacitor which feeds an LDO which provides a 3.3 volt supply to the NCS36510. As the charge is consumed, the voltage gradually decreases until the NCS36510 device powers down. This results in approximately 17 milliseconds of available runtime for the device. The startup of the device occurs in less than 5.6 milliseconds and a single ZGP frame is immediately transmitted. After transmission, the ZGPD switches to receive mode to listen for an 802.15.4 ACK for the ZC. Once received, the radio is powered down and an LED is illuminated until the available power is exhausted. If no ACK is received, the ZG power delivery will repeat the transmission receive cycle as many times as possible. Once the ZC USB device is connected to the PC, which acts as a hub, the NCS36510 Zigbee Smart Home UI will appear. This window contains a modern smart home and simulates both a Zigbee 3.0 lighting system and a security sensor on the door. Clicking on the switch will toggle the lights on and off, and clicking the other will render the door open or closed. To evaluate how battery-free energy harvesting nodes operates, the Advanced tab displays a live feed of messages being sent from the Strata-enabled ZC device to Strata. To learn more about the Strata-enabled Zigbee Green Power Kit, please visit us online at www.onsemi.com. Thank you.